No.
They're not?
No, they're not. Do you know what that means? That means he's not just after the kid anymore. He's after all of us. Sure as hell after me. I just robbed him. You just betrayed him. You just killed his BFF. And you're dumb enough to be building a case against him. So, unless we all want to die very unpleasant deaths and let Roman go finger fishing in the kid's intestinal tract, we're gonna have to work together.
With you?
Yeah. We're gonna work together and we'll get out of here in one piece, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. But we are gonna need some serious hardware.
Will this do?
No. Not at all.
We're dead. We're fucking dead.
Slimy Chisnos! I can't believe he took it all!
There's this?
Okay.